Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate an open inquiry report under the sales module in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After the successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the sales module. Here, we have to select the sales dashboard menu under the sales module. Now, the sales dashboard page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to select the date range and we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. After clicking the submit button, the job details are shown in the sales dashboard page. Now we have to click the open inquiry report button. On the sales dashboard open inquiry report page, the details will be shown. If you want to download this detail, just click on the options menu. Then we have to click on the download button to download this report. This is how to generate an open inquiry report under the sales module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.